Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Rogue key fob battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the fob casing should separate with minimal effort. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.